In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your PS5 controller not connecting. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
The first thing you want to go ahead and try and do is just charge it, because it might actually just be dead. You might have left it on for longer than you thought. So go ahead and plug in a USB-C wire into your controller, and then the other end into your console, or you can just use a normal USB-C charger. Let it charge and sit there for a few hours and see if that works, and then try and do it. Also, it might just be disconnected from your console, because sometimes that happens. It might just be a glitch. So connect a USB-C wire to your controller, and then the other end of it to your console. Then press your PlayStation button, which is in the middle, and then that should work as well. If all of that doesn't work, I could go ahead and reset it. So I see like that little circle next to the R on my controller. If I put a little pin in there and press down on it, it's going to reset my controller. Then just connect my controller to my console again using a wire, and that should definitely make it work. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.